No need to wait, I'm on my way, just right ahead. I lost my place for the better part of last we are now tier matched here at Fontainebleau, and it could not have been easier. Found a machine to sit down. I guess I'll pull this out. You're welcome. So gold to silver, I think everyone knows that. But it was very easy, and the woman that we got behind the counter is very, very good. Very good. I know everything to expect. All my expectations are managed. And so I know I will not get slot play, but I will get the $100 credit. We did. And all the other stuff like the free parking and valet. It's a very nice facility. We're going to play a little bit. We rode the bus up here, and now we're feeling like ballers. I'll reinsert my card. Don't worry, don't worry. Still getting used to, oh yeah. Probably gotta go the right way, you know? All right. We're doing one combo. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna put 100 in. Hey, well, 100 turns into 32 so quickly. What'd you start with?
100.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, we both have bonuses. I got the blue one, I guess, and it's ready to pop that red one. Is that good? I'm on 2 cents. That was not good. That's the easy symbol. Come on, red. You ready? Come on. Come on. Times 4. Come on. Pop that. Okay. One free game. Pop the red thing. I like that you always have a chance to do it, but rarely do I. Anyway, 28 bucks, $7.76. Not quite up to even at all, I wouldn't say. We'll keep pressing on. Let you know it's you got 46. You're doing great.
Okay.
I'll catch up. Okay, we were kind of down in the dumps, but this little cash respin, whatever. 2 different variations, the pink cat and the black cat. She's gotten that blue bonus a couple times, so we'll see here. What are we doing? 826. 2. Gato. So extra pointers, maybe. Oh, there you go. So you get those. So I have a cash spin and then the respins. Oh man, that's all I've gotten so far. That is all I have gotten. Yeah, at least I got the eye on the first spin. Okay, it logs. Okay, and a multiplier. There we go, 12 bucks on the first spin. I'll take that. Thank you. Get it. Oh, a mini. What is that? Times 10. Babe, 100 bucks. I just got the mini times 10 on an 80-cent bet. Okay, yes. And you're pointing extra? Hey, I hope you are. Don't use your birthday though. Dude, what a great hit. 105, 80 cents. Okay, you did way better than me. That's awesome. That's awesome. Minimum bet. Oh. Let's see what she gets when she spins the wheel. You got a mini and 5 and 12? Okay. And you're doing 80 cents as well, right?
Yeah.
Oh, double coin show. We're dancing double. This is amazing.
Oh, good.
This is amazing. Do it again. Okay. Okay, I mean, I don't know how. Uh-oh, yes, you did. Yes, she did. Now throw that 10 down again. Yes, another 50 bucks. Dude, this is awesome. This is awesome. All the coins. There she goes, too. We're double coin show again. Get them coins. Sorry, Chantal, we're gonna have to see your way out, please. Oh, she's teasing. Oh my goodness. Come on, Kitty likes to scratch. Oh, please. That's fine, that's fine. One more spin. And this has been amazing. Little kitty. Okay, $3. On top, 186 on an 80-cent bet. This is the freaking cash respins, whatever. Kismet cat, I guess. I don't know. Aristocrat. You tell me. But all of a sudden, I'm up at Fontainebleau. There she goes. Excellent. And yeah, I say Fontainebleau. You can say Fontainebleau. It's fine. That's probably what everyone's going to call it. It's fine. Say whatever you want. We're all in this together, people. Yeah, you did. All right. This has been a great run on these machines.
Okay. Oh.
Pointer. And 6. Total win of 6. Still, this has been fun.
Wheel boost?
Woo. Okay, we'll come back. Each of us put in 200 here at our new casino. Chantal leaves with 60. And I am up 20. So down 140 for you, up 20 for me. Fontainebleau picked their favorite. And it might be because I'm pronouncing it correctly. Who knows? Anyway, shall we? Shall we eat?
Let's get something to eat.
We're gonna go eat. We have to use our full credit, $100. So we either have 100 or 200. So we might just indulge. Oh yeah. So we got our tuna fried rice and drinks at the same time. Mai Tais, and this is supposed to be like the sweet potato, the Japanese sweet potato. I cannot wait to try this stuff at Q. Thank you.
Thank you.
I ruined it. I took a picture. Sorry. I'll tell you this, you gotta like some smoke if you're gonna order on this side of the menu. These are the corn ribs. And I just licked my chopstick and it was delicious. Can't wait. I'd never heard of corn ribs until a little bit ago. She's like, yeah, you eat it off the cob like ribs. It works. This was delicious. This is so far my favorite part, and I've liked all of it. These are really good. It's $18 for corn, but promo. Yeah, look at this. Oh my gosh. And the bao buns. Oh yeah, we're about to live it up after Chantal takes her pictures. So hers was like 82, mine was 76, I guess. And you have $100, you have to use it all at once. So this is, you know, we tried to estimate, get close. I could not eat another bite, so this was perfect. So we just left the tip. We're off to play some more. Got them. She's in my camel hump. Anyway, that was fun. Thank you, Fontainebleau. Fontainebleau. Whatever the kids are saying. I'm up 50, and we're going to go take it over here to... It's lots of fun. We had a lot of bonuses. We didn't record them. Bad vloggers, but we're having a lot of fun. And the drink service was good, too. So I am early afternoon feeling it.
Feeling good.
Anyway, on to Circus, and it's lots of fun. Okay, bad vloggers. We're in the Mirage. You know, I just couldn't really get any wins. Anything at Circus. So we took the bus down. Oh, I like the dragon, but we gotta line it all together. We got fish, but no help. Coins to 4. Ayo. It's tough. 3 more spins. Onions. Oh, good. Alright. Impress me. Ducky. Okay. I've been even for the day. So this is me down, you know, $21. Emeralds. Laid it down. 66.80 and got another one. Do me right. It's those dragons you were talking about earlier. Ooh, and they all in there. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, fishy on the front. Hot coins. No. These are a little tighter than I'm used to. Come on. There's that fishy on the front. I needed a dragon on the front that time. It's throwing those dragons out. Ooh, impress me now. Impress me. Last spin. Alrighty. Well, appreciate you anyway. Get a little bit there. 15 bucks. And now I'm 30. No, I'm still 20 down. Yeah, still 20 down. Not bad. It's about 2 in the afternoon. Let's catch up, shall we? So we're gonna go hang out. It's lots of fun. It just wasn't our thing. We don't have like a lot of memories there or anything. We didn't go as kids or anything like that. So I mean, it was fine, but didn't hit luck right away, and the bus was coming, so we jumped on the bus. Headed south, went to the Mirage. I think I'm down 100 in the Mirage. How'd you do?
About the same.
Okay. It was fun. I had 50 in free play. I don't know why. Chantal didn't have any. Not that I made anything out of it. I didn't. And then from Mirage, we just walked back to Bellagio and indulged in a very nice, I should say, afternoon nap, as it were. We do come to Vegas to relax. So now it is time to finish getting ready so we can head downstairs for dinner at the Mayfair Supper Club. I'm looking very forward to this. It's not the late night, the hardcore show. But yeah, Mayfair Supper Club. See you in a bit. My drink is called the Lola. What's yours called?
Positive Karma.
Boston Lager. They're taking a break on the stage. We're on a table right up on it, and it is awesome. The bread is delicious. We've ordered our steaks. I cannot wait. Okay, so we have to gather our thoughts here because we've had two great meals today. Q Resort at Fontainebleau, and tonight at Mayfair. The music was incredible. Had a lot of fun. We got some shots in there, but we're just watching the show. We were right next to the rhythm section. Just a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. Our meal, we got 4 drinks. We got an appetizer, 2 steaks, and 1 side, which is enough.
Yeah.
And it was $340 before tip. I had a $100 thanks for earning gold reward, so knocked off 100 and charged the rest of the room. So you use your resort credit for the rest. But so yeah, it's expensive, but I had so much fun. I'm gonna save up specifically to do that again.
I'd go back for sure.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. All right, we so far are just here at Bellagio. We don't know if we're gonna dine here or not. We're so full.
Yeah, I need a minute.
All right, we'll find some games. That started out as $100.
Yeah.
Wow. I got all 3 on this one, so we'll see. 2 cents, 80 credits. It rose. She got a times 15 situation. We definitely want to see more of that. So far, is what it is. Okay, we got one. Throw it on the pile. Oops. Times 3, not quite the same. Oh, okay. Count those up for later, I guess. I don't really know how this works. Come on, moons. Ayo. Oop. Okay, well, $8. 16 bucks. I'm on 2 cents. Okay, 2 more spent. Something good. I put a $70 Tito in. Last spin. I don't know what those are, but I got 4 of them. Okay, so 1 gold, 4 green. Okay, 60 bucks. Okay, I'm basically at even. That's fun. That's fun. Not quite. Chanson's little run. Oof. All right, she's buying dinner tomorrow. Okay, coin combo. Doing a strange bet. It's 5 cents, 3 symbols. So hopefully the 3 lower symbols, hopefully those will come up often, but it doesn't look like line pays are going to come into it. This is like a fortune coin. Uh-oh, we got green. Emerald coin, babe. Snickle Fritz. Oh, it's each one is adding up. I forget how this game goes. Every time I play, it's like a surprise. Like, oh wow, my cow is blowing. All right, come on, green coins. Come on. Okay, that's it, but it was fun. 31 bucks. 31.20. That was fun. See, so like these symbols are not lit up. If you go to 2 cents, you know, this is $1.76 for 2 cents for all of them lit up. And you have no choice. So I just like playing around with a bet. Okay, I'm on the triple power trio, whatever. I got one bonus just now for 20 bucks. I'm on the 288 bet. We're doing the volatile one. Come on. There we go. There we go. Love that. Double the number of spins. Ooh, almost tripled it. Okay. Nothing crazy yet. The trigger on my last one was 17. I guess the line hit. Or the ways pays. Well, okay, lackluster. So that's what we're getting on these 288 bets. But I put 100 in. We got a $96 line hit on the top one with all dragons. Coming up. Okay, she's been back and forth with me a little bit, but she just gave me 11. I literally got 31 cents on my last free games, and it gave me a petty bonus of $5. So we know there's a floor, a $5 floor. Come on, man. 11 spins. 7 left. 6 after this. Let's see what happens. Let's get a power up. Okay. Okay. See, we're gonna slow roll this. And he usually does the green money one first. Yeah, the super credits. Give me some biggins. Biggins. 30. Oh, hell yeah. So I really want that power up that shoots them up and down. Okay. Got the floor. Hey, we get it. That's the main prize. Very happy with that. Okay, okay, come on, do it. Act like. Oh, please. Who are you to resist? We got it, right here. Okay. Still, we got the big one. That's awesome. So it's worth $7, the line hit. 5 more spins. Okay. 3 more. 3. Ah! Oh, can you imagine a re-trigger? Okay, 2 more spins. That was interesting. Last spin. Hey, you know, on a dollar bet, I'll take 48. Since I've put in 200 here at Cosmo, and I am now officially up. Okay, being the bad vloggers that we are here at Cosmo, I was just playing 90-cent bet on Live and Let Die, and we got the wheel on a chip respin, and it came with a 27.50, so it brought us up to 39, plus the tarot bonus. So, 8, 2, 6, up, 8, 2. What I win? 25 bucks? Okay, it's probably predetermined. Oh, look at that. On a 97 bet. This is tough. Okay, got a triple on a dollar bet. Well done, thank you. On a dollar bet on this version with whatever that is. Let's do this. Come on. Okay. Well, we definitely want coins if we're not going to get line heads. Okay. Well, you know, it's fine. We'll start slow. We know what you mean. We know what you mean. Come on. Coins out the butt. So, well, yeah, that's more my speed. We can get that major right now. Super is an extra one. Super for 50. Minor for 30. Mini for 10. Is that a wild?
Yeah.
Oh, but it doesn't. That's fine. I would really prefer if we throw more coins per spin. I feel like I'm... Oh, Tom, what does that mean?
Whatever falls in there you get.
Okay. Hey. What is going on? So mini, minor. 4 free games awarded. And, oh, I got another one. 16. And a buck. Come on.
I got it too.
Oh my goodness. So gold coins, we like that. Mega feature. Oh man, there's so many different. Okay, I did get the mini for 10. 8 of 15. We have 7 more spins. I am 2 away from a $30 minor. Yes, more coins, please. Okay, 6 more spins. Thank you for the dollar. What does that do? Oh, 12 bucks. Oh, give me those wilds. Oh, that dollar. It loves the dollar. 4 spins left. Come on. Okay, 1 away from super, 1 away from minor. We have 3 spins left. Purple. Oh, got the wheel, babe. Got the wheel. Yes. Yeah. So I'm 2 away from the major, 1 away from the super and the minor, and 2 away from the grand. So now 5 spins left. Give me that wheel bonus again. I like it. Oh, 3 trigger. And now 1 away from another mini. I'll take a mini. I ain't proud. Come on, brother. I like a retrigger, especially when you're not giving me the symbols. You're like, but another chance at it. Here you go. Even if it's just another 10. Put another $10 on there. And of course, 4 more to go. Woo. Come on. It's letting you know the value that it brings. It's like, hey, this is the one you added from the wheel. This ain't just some regular turtle running around. This is direct result of the wheel. 1 more spin. And added, noted. 1 more spin. Okay, some went all the way across kings, I guess. And last spin was kind of a dud. But we are at 100x exactly. Thank you so much. Crazy bags version. I enjoyed that quite a bit. Season 26 with 2 games left. It is just after midnight. So I guess Saturday morning, Friday night. What a day. Our first full day, and Fontainebleau was awesome. Fontainebleau Q, the restaurant, was incredible, and my goodness, Mayfair Supper Club was the Mayfair Supper Club. Oh my god, we had such a good time. It was very pricey. It was very much fun. I think that's gonna wrap it up for today, and then tomorrow is no plans day. It's wherever we want. No plans day.